title of the nail polishes is back with finger paints. Delete it cuticle dissolver. We've never used a cuticle dissolver. Who knows if this will work or not? And I sure as heck won't know if it makes a difference or if it even gets rid of my cuticles. Why am I making this video without another cuticle dissolver? Oh well. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am having a lot of fun lately. I went to Sally's and saw too much and bought too much. But I'm having a lot of fun lately trying out new finger paints products I recently saw. I like trying out finger paints because I feel like it's a really good brand that kind of gets not undermined, but it doesn't get a lot of attention. And so I am trying it out for you guys because it is a cheaper brand too. And you can just find it at your local Sally's here in the US. So today I'm trying out the deleted cuticle dissolver. Honest to goodness with you guys, I've always wanted to use a cuticle remover of some sort. Oh my goodness, I can't speak this evening. And I've never gotten one because they're so expensive. So I saw this and I was like, sweet, $5. Y'all best move over. I'm gonna be trying this on my cuticles this afternoon. So that's what we're doing, you guys. And it says on it, dissolver. Dissolver, in like 3 different languages it says dissolver on it. So y'all, it better work. It better dissolve these cuticles. Y'all, it doesn't smell like anything. It actually smells. I've never used this before, like I said. But who knows, maybe it'll make, I always have this really bad problem area. Guys, I honestly don't know if I'm using too much either, so just, I'm sorry. I have a problem area right here, especially after I do a bunch of swatching. And I will say it feels very weird putting it on with a nail polish brush. Okay, guys, I'm like all over the place in this video tonight. I'm sorry. I feel like it's nail polish and it's gonna dry on my fingers. Am I even doing this correctly? I feel like I'm doing it correctly. Because then you oil. You put this on, you get your little scrubby scrub, and then you oil, and you gotta like let it soak. Let it sit in there, you know what I'm saying? You gotta let those cuticles have time to be released from their home. You gotta let them be free. Oh my goodness, you guys, I should not stay up late doing videos, ever. You guys wanna know what time it is? Well, I'll tell you what time it is, and trust me, it's gonna be late. It's 8 o'clock at night, people. Oh, I shouldn't be trusted at 8 o'clock at night. You guys, that's really not that late. That's just really sad. Okay, so I got these bad boys soaking. I feel like my pointer needs a little bit more. Don't you guys feel like this needs a little bit more love over here? And yo, I just used a whole lot of it because I want it to work. So they're soaking. It doesn't, I mean, it came with no instructions. There's nothing on the back. No instructions. It doesn't tell me how to use it. Let me use my handy dandy phone and let's pull up and see if we can find it on their website. Yo, did they not have a real website? You know how you always fix stuff, you guys? If you can't find it when you Google it, you just pull up their Instagram. So just pulled up the Sally Hansen's website. Delete it cuticle. Okay, we got it. All right, let's see if there's a description down here. It tells you how long to keep it on. Directions. Bam. To use, shake well. I didn't do that. And apply to cuticles. Wait 2 minutes and gently push back cuticles. Remove excess product from your nails. All right. So you guys, we're on the right track. I need to get myself a cuticle pusher. I have like a metal one, but I'm like so scared to use the metal. Okay, let's use this one. Okay, guys. I feel like I've waited 2 minutes. No, have I not? I feel like I have. That took a long time. Okay. So then we're just gonna push back. Ooh. Ooh. I mean, it's more over here. Like, do you see my nasty cuticles on the edge of my body over here? Okay, you guys. I think this works. I mean, we're really going to see in a little bit here. But like, that cuticle looks a lot smoother than it did when we began. All right, try this one. This is the problem area right here. That doesn't count as your cuticle, you guys. That's just the sides of your nails. It's called stop biting off the sides of your nails, lady. Okay, it says gently push back your cuticles. And I'm just scraping the product off the top of my fingers too as I go. Oh my gosh, you guys, it worked because it just, do you see that? That was not product. That was my finger I accidentally picked up. Maybe you shouldn't have used as much as I used, everyone. Be careful. This should have like a warning label. Warning, do not drench your whole finger. Oopsie, already did. Okay, move on to the next one. You just push back the cuticles. Push them back, push them back. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if this works or not. I mean, I didn't have bad cuticles to begin with. But I mean, like, am I enjoying this? Is this fun to do? Yes, because I feel like I am scooping up Play-Doh. But yo, then you guys, you know, I see these little chunks of stuff and I'm like, yo, that got something off. Like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, that came from somewhere. You know? So I feel like it is working, but at the same time, I haven't ever used anything else like this, so I mean, I have nothing to compare it to. This is the best review you guys have ever seen. Okay, oh, my cuticles do feel a little bit more tender and cleaned up. I'm gonna use some oil now. This is just an oil pen I bought in bulk off of Amazon. It says it's OPI oil, but is it really? I don't really know. I don't really know what to believe. Because I think it came from China or something. I don't know. Okay, let's massage this bad boy in. Okay, you guys, my cuticles are a little bit more sensitive right now after using that. Like, I can definitely feel my finger rubbing in the oil more than I usually do in the past. That probably sounds so weird. And like, I'll rub it and like, do you see like on my finger here, there's like little bits of skin? Like, you guys, I definitely think it worked. Either that, I just used like way too much and it's just more product coming off. Which very well could be the case. We don't want to talk about that. But yeah, I think it worked. I mean, there's like little scrappies everywhere. Hang on, let me wash my hands. I think it worked. I think they look a lot better, especially, I was telling you guys earlier, like this is my problem area, this side right here. And it looks less dry. I mean, it's not perfect. I wasn't expecting it to become perfect like this side of my nail. I was just expecting it to get some of that drier, dead skin off. And I think it did, you guys. Like, look at that. Looks so good. Over here is struggling a little bit, but it looks pretty good too. You guys, I think it worked. I mean, if nothing else, it is a non-abrasive. Like, it didn't burn, it didn't sting. I don't have tingling in my fingers. My fingers didn't go numb. I mean, it's very non-harming to myself. This cuticle remover. So I mean, if nothing else, if you want to try out a cuticle dissolver, you want to see if you even like them, dude, I give this a try. It was $5. That ain't no thing to me. I mean, $5 for this whole bottle. I did use quite a lot. I might go through it quicker than I thought, but you know what, y'all, it's not It doesn't have like a warning label. I don't know, guys. I liked it. So if you want to try a cuticle dissolver, try this. Try this out. We'll see how it goes. I'll keep you guys posted. I'll try and post a video in the future of my thoughts on it. I'll keep using it once a week. That's the thing, yo people, though. If you're trying a cuticle dissolver for the first time, y'all use it just once a week. Don't be going out and using it every day. Then you're going to have sensitive nails. Then you're going to have sensitivity around your cuticles. Girl, you don't want that, okay? You don't want your nails to be busting off, aight? Once a week. That might even be pushing it, though, guys. I don't really know. But once a week. Once a week, when you do your regular routine, when you take off all your polish, girl, and you just let them nails be naked and free, you put this on, you put on the oil. Girl, you let them breathe every now and then, okay? And if you ain't letting them breathe, girlfriend, do you hate your nails? Do you need new ones? Let your nails breathe. Alright, you guys, that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to subscribe, click that thumbs up button, and as always, be polished, wear polish, and a little superstition never hurt. We'll catch you guys later. Bye!